Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now if you're receiving a blue screen error, that is page fault in non-paged area, Netwtw06 system error on Windows 10 computer, then please follow the step. The first step is to run Intel Driver Support Assistant. So just type in Intel Driver Support Assistant in Google search and then go to the Intel website, download this tool, and then once the download is complete, once the installation is done, it will go ahead and scan your system. Now it may take a couple of minutes to scan your computer. So once the scan is done, it will let you know if anything needs to be up to date on your computer. So here you can see it's right now in my case it's one software update available, that is Intel graphic. So in your case, if there are multiple driver which needs to be up to date, just click on install all, or individually you can click on install, and once the installation is done, restart your computer and check for the error message. In case still facing the error, now I have seen with many users they were able to resolve this error by just updating the driver using Intel Driver Support Assistant. So for many users this has worked, so it might work for you. In case the issue still persists, then run PowerShell command. So just type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Copy this command. I have provided the command in the video description, so you can get it from there. Paste it and then hit the enter key on the computer. Now it will take some time to complete the scan. Once this is 100% done, you restart your computer, and then after the restart, run the second command. Just type in PowerShell once again in Windows search box, make a right click, click on run as administrator, yes to allow, enter the command, hit the enter key on the keyboard and let the scan complete. Once this is 100% done, then restart your computer. The next step is to update graphics driver. So if your computer has Nvidia or AMD graphic card, then update the graphics card driver. So just type in for AMD users, just type in Nvidia Drivers in Google search. Go to Nvidia website, select your graphic card from the list. Just make sure that you select the right graphic card. If you're not sure which card you have, then go to the start menu, make a right click, go to device manager. Now under display adapter you will see your graphics card. Select your graphic card, then click on search and click on download, and then after that go for custom install and put a check on clean installation. So just make sure that you are doing a clean installation of Nvidia drivers. Now for AMD users, just type in AMD drivers in Google search, go to AMD website. Either you can go ahead and manually update the driver by selecting your graphic card from here, or you can use auto detect feature. Just download this tool and from there you can go ahead and download your latest AMD graphic card driver. Now next step is to update Windows 10. So go to the start menu, settings, then update and security, and then click on check for update and install the latest Windows 10 update on your computer. Restart your computer and that should fix the problem. Now next step is to perform system restore. So to perform system restore, just type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on create a restore point. Now under system protection, click on system restore, click on next. Now here you will see the list of date and time. So make sure that you select the date prior to the error. So suppose today I started receiving this blue screen error, then if you are seeing the date for yesterday, then select the yesterday date. Just you have to make sure that you are selecting a date when you were not facing the problem. So select that date, then click on next and then click on finish, and then after the system restore, the error should be gone. Now the last step is to reset Windows 10. So if nothing works, then you can go ahead and reset your computer. So go to settings and in the search box just type in reset. Here you will see reset this PC. Click on get started and here you will see keep my files. So it will remove apps and settings from your computer, but it will keep your personal files. So if you want to keep your apps, if you have installed any third-party application on your computer, then in that case it's better that you back up all your data manually and keep it on external hard drive or flash drive, and then you can go ahead and do a reset. Or you can simply remove apps and settings, and then you can keep your personal, it will keep your personal files, and then you can go ahead and reset your computer. So after the reset, the error should go away. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error message. Now in most of the cases, 80% I have seen, Intel Drivers Support Assistant has fixed this error for many users. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.